Be sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. When you do that, you help my channel grow. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jessica. Welcome to my world. Today on Listen, Learn, and Love, we're going to listen to and learn from someone who loves what they do. We're going to learn about this beautiful instrument, the Ronaet. And here to share it with us is my good friend, Andrew. Here he is.
Oi.
Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Miss Jessica.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Oh yeah, I am so excited to learn about this instrument.
Definitely.
So what is this instrument called?
This instrument is called Ronaet.
Ronaet?
Yes.
Oh. The Ronaet is a xylophone used to play the Khmer classical music of Cambodia. Andrew, how does the Ronaet make sound?
This instrument has three components. First, you have the mallet, then you have the keys, and then the sound box. Sound is produced by means of the mallet coming into contact with the keys, like so. This instrument belongs in a larger ensemble, and this ensemble is called the Panpiet ensemble, which is also known as the chord ensemble / percussion ensemble of Cambodia.
How do you say the ensemble's name again?
Panpiet.
Panpiet?
Yes. P-I-N-P-E-A-T.
Panpiet.
Yes.
That's a new word for me, or new words for me. All of this is new for me. This is amazing. When and why did you start playing the Ronaet?
When I was 6 years old, my dad thought it would be a good idea for him to impart this ancient art to me so that it could continue to live on forever.
And is your dad a musician?
Yes, my dad, Panyen, is a master musician who frequently plays music for the king at the Royal Palace of Cambodia.
Now that we've learned about the Ronaet, can you play for us a piece?
Sure, absolutely. But before I do that, do you want to try?
Oh, yes, I definitely want to try. Whoa, these mallets are way heavier than I thought they would be. What are the tops made out of?
A mixture of beeswax and cement wrapped in cloth. So these are made for specifically for outdoor performances.
Oh.
And with the Panpiet ensemble. Because when you're playing in the Panpiet ensemble, you're playing also with the oboe, which is super loud. And to compensate that loudness, you have to have something loud too.
Can I try those?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they are a little heavier. Whoa.
Try hitting it too, it sounds different.
Did you hear that? Let's try that again. This one's a little softer and this one's a little louder. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready to try. Since we're indoor, we will use the indoor mallets. Something.
Yeah, just play something. You could play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, right?
Hey! Andrew will now perform the song Sarai Bok Sral, which translates to Lady Pounding the Rice. Andrew, that was incredible. Thank you so much for being here and being part of my world.
Sure, thank you for having me.
Everyone, this is Andrew, and I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.